Hi there. In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to convert a PPT into a video file, MP4 file. Basically, I'll create one slide, I'll add some content to it, and I'll add some audio to it, and then I'll convert it to a video. So here we go. Next, you want to create a new PPT or open an existing PPT. You can add edit content that you want. And if you want to add an audio, you have to select insert from the top menu and then say add audio. Either you can add an audio clip which you already have, or you can record a new audio. And the steps are mentioned in the next slide. Finally, you're going to save the file and export, select the export option, and this is where you can get a video option from this. You'll say create a video, and there on the right side you'll find the option as an MP4 file. So select that and convert that PPT into a video. That's it, you're done. Once you're done, please run the play your video. The presentation slide will be running along with the added video. Like this, the PPT itself was converted to a MP4 file. Cheers guys, best of luck, and please subscribe to my channel.